Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with scheduling meetings or keeping your team on the same page, then you need to know how to share your Outlook calendar properly. In today's full guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to give someone access to your Outlook calendar, step by step, so you can collaborate seamlessly without all that back and forth messaging. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in using your credentials. And if you've got two-factor authentication turned on, make sure your phone is handy for that quick verification. Once you're in, you'll see your Outlook dashboard with your emails front and center. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Calendar. This opens up your Outlook calendar view, showing all your upcoming meetings, reminders, and schedules. This is where the sharing magic happens. In the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. Click it. A new window pops up where you can enter the email address of the person or team you want to share your calendar with. Then you'll need to choose what level of access they get. Can view when I'm busy. Perfect for keeping things private but still visible. Can view titles and locations. Shows more details without full access. Can view all details. Gives them the complete picture of your schedule. Pick the one that fits your situation best. Once you've selected the access level, just click. Share Outlook will send an email invitation to your chosen person or group. When they accept it, your calendar will automatically appear in their Outlook, exactly with the permissions you set. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Outlook calendar like a pro. This small step can seriously boost team coordination and save hours of email chaos. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.